So, before we talking about human elephant connectivity, we need to know about the lifestyle, the story, the heart of the elephant, because understanding their way of living help to understand why they fighting for, what the reason is connected. Let me go through that story. If we talk about elephant, there are two main species. One is African elephant and another one is Asian elephant. Our focus area is Asian elephant. There are 13 countries. There are 13 Asian countries which we can find elephant, including Sri Lanka. The uniqueness of Sri Lanka is around these 13 Asian countries. Sri Lanka has the second largest elephant population. Let me talk about Asian elephants. There are three main subspecies. We call it Elephas maximus commonly. So, three subspecies are Elephas maximus indicus, which we can find in India and Southeast Asia, and Elephas maximus sumatranus, which we can find in Indonesia and Sumatra Islands. And then comes our superhero, Elephant maximus maximus. The special thing that is the largest among the Asian elephant and the darkest too. Sri Lanka has 10% of Asian elephant population. 10% of Asian elephant population is in Sri Lanka. It's something special. It means for that kind of a small landmass, that number is too much. So in a small landmass, there are a lot of elephant we can find. That's the goal. If we talk about Sri Lankan elephants, according to the survey on 2017, wildlife conservation, so Department of Wildlife Conservation, there are around 5,787 elephants, including thousands of baby elephants and 122 tuskers. The sad thing is 122 tuskers. But in 19th centuries, there were around 12,000 to 14,000 of an elephant. But now we already lost half of them. We have already lost half of them. Mainly the tuskers, only 10% of tuskers are left. Why? Because of the hunting and poaching in the history for the tusks. So if we talk about the body of the elephant can grow up to 6.3 meters in long and 3 meters tall. It can stand around 3 meters tall, and it can weigh around 5 tons. Unlike their African cousins, Sri Lankan elephant have a small ear, and they have two hump-like humps in their head, and only males grow tusk. And another thing we need to consider their diet. When we talk about their diet, they eat around 150 kilos of food. Imagine 150 kilos of food per day. They require half of their body weight of food. So there is a special reason too. One thing, they have an inefficient digestive system. Yeah, inefficient, because what they eat, half of the thing they eat, they won't digest it. Put it out like undigested. So that's why they require a lot of food. They need to eat. They eat around 19 hours. 19 hours they eat, because they don't have a efficient digestive system. Because of their digestive system is inefficient, they need a lot of energy. For that, they need a lot of food. The main thing This thing helped the nature to create the forest because these elephants are the very good seed spreaders. They disperse the seed the place they go. Each and every place they move, they disperse the seed and help to regrow the forest. So see how unique these species are, and they drink up to 106 liters of water. So that's why they always find near watery areas like lakes, reservoirs, and tanks. And we need to know these elephants just sleep only 4 hours. And in the standing position, they sleep just for 4 hours and mostly active in the night. They active in the night. So that's the main thing. And the special thing, the family bonding. So they have super family bonding. Like here we call matriarchal herd. Matriarchal herd means here the elephant live in group. They are super social animals. They live in groups. The group is led by female elephant, the oldest female elephant. Males live solitary or in a bachelor's group, but these female live in a herd with around 20 or more than 20 members, like daughters, sisters, aunts, like that. It's a beautiful family they live. The experienced and oldest female elephant lead the herd. So that's something unique. Another thing, the females get maturity at age of 10 and give birth to every 4 to 6 years. And these elephant are the one has a long pregnancy period around 22 months. So in the land animals, this is the highest number, 22 months. So this thing also we need to consider because see, to give a new baby elephant, to produce a new baby elephant, it takes around 6 years. It means so every 4 to 6 years only they can reproduce like that. So they can't suddenly increase their population size. So we need to know that thing also. So once they were live all around the island, once they were all around the island, but now they are restricted to dry zone lowlands. You can found in eastern, northern, Uva, Sabragamu, and southern and north central provinces. But once they were all around, all around the island. So what driving this elephant to the conflict thing? What driving this elephant to the conflict thing? Because of their habitat. The habitat size is shrinking, shrinking, shrinking. They only fight for the basic need of themselves. They need food, water, and the habitat, the shelter. So because they need a lot of food, so they need a large land area to live. So if we shrink the size of their habitat, they can't fit into that space. And they have super memory power. Yeah. They are super intelligent and they have super memory power. So they can remember their migration routes, migration paths. But now when they come back to the path and see, okay, if I go to this way, I can found that place that was beautiful uh, trees and full of grass and full of resources. So let me lead to that place. Like if they move, now they see our paddy fields and our village areas and the roads because we have changed it. So they know the road, but they have these obstacles. Then to reach that place, they need to cross. Then the conflict story starts. So let me talk more about these conflicts and background. in upcoming episodes. So this video is specially made to get an understanding about these beautiful giants because they are very intelligent. Like they have very social bonding. If a elephant death, they the entire herd will feel sad. They stand for hours or even for several days near the dead elephant. So like they have some kind of a bonding. So these species are something unique. Let's understand the thing first. If we know about elephant's lifestyle, we can think why these fights are coming for what. So each and every living being has rights to live, so it's fighting for its rights. So let us talk more in upcoming episodes about this. I believe that understanding and getting a clear picture is the way for coexistence. If we need to coexist with these species, we need to understand their stories. So if you think this content is worth sharing, if this reach many of us, helps to protect these giants and protect ourselves from these conflicts, understanding the core, please share and subscribe, like, and just comment. So the giants, let's do something. So spreading awareness, thing I can do. So I'm trying that. So you guys also be a part of it. Why don't you? So let me see you guys in next episode. Thank you, and this is Priya.